We are having ravioli tonight, and this is a really great brand of ravioli. This is from Costco. It's chicken and mozzarella ravioli, and it only has per serving, per 1 cup serving, it only has 8 grams of fat, and it has 14 grams of protein, which is awesome. So I've got a marinated tomato, basil, garlic for my meats that are marinated that I'm gonna be using. And I always like to add vegetables, if vegetables or fruits, to whatever I'm cooking, because fiber is really good for fat loss. But, and just in general, your vegetables help in that process. But I'm gonna add squash and zucchini to this butternut tomato squash, and this is a really, really good sauce. Always check your sauces. Even some of the red sauces on the shelves can have a decent amount of fat in it, and this one's not bad. It's got 2.5 grams of fat per half cup serving. So this will be a really yummy dinner. It's actually one of my favorite dinners. I like to have ravioli at least once a week. So I'll be putting this together and I'll show you when it's done. My squash is pretty much done, and so I'm gonna go ahead and add this pasta sauce just so it heats up. And my water's boiling, and so I'm going to add the ravioli, and the ravioli cooks in 4 minutes. And my chicken's out on the grill, but it's almost done as well. So this dinner, I'm looking at the clock right now. By the time the ravioli's done cooking, it'll be about 20 minutes to cook this dinner. So I'll just cut up the chicken on the grill, and the ravioli should be cooked, and this sauce is probably virtually almost already hot. So this is a quick and easy dinner for the family for sure. This is my finished chicken ravioli. I've got the squash sauce topped off with the squash sauce, and then I've got fresh basil chopped up, and then my tomato basil marinated chicken breast that's grilled. I've got 3 ounces of that, and I do have a 1.5 size portion of the ravioli. I saved room in my macros for this tonight. So anyway, I'm getting to eat lots of carbs, lots of pasta, and it looks delicious. It's piled high, so